We have here iPhone 12 mini and new glass protector, 2.5D case friendly, and right here you can see the phone, iPhone 12 mini. If you want to buy the same, you can check link below. So let's start to open it. What is inside? So you can check. So it's all, and we have inside this other guard accessories, and I think that here is the protector, screen protector. So let's start. So we have here the phone. We can get out the case. So case is down. We have just the phone, and now we can look inside here. So this inside, and we have here this. So this dust absorber and the alcohol prep pad. So we start with this one. So we can take this and clean the phone. Clean the phone. Okay. Now, if it's clean, we can check this and make it really clean. You can see it's really very nice. But at the end, we can take this dust absorber and make like this. Okay, and now it's time for the glass protector. And this glass protector is right here, so we can open it. You can see him here, and now we can check here how to input him. So please peel off this mask before application. So now we have to get down this.
Okay.
Okay, like this. And very precise. We have like very precise.
Okay.
Precise.
Pre-5. Co to znamená pre-5?
Cute this foil. Okay, we can now test it if it function, but it look that it's function and that it's working very well. So now we can just
Apple TV.
also use this, and mobile is ready for the using. So thank you for the watching. If you want to buy the same, just check the link below. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you later. See you later.
See you later.
Okay.
Okay. Bye bye.